Just want to show everybody what I'm up to today. Yes, I am canning green beans today with seasoning the way I like it, and with there's chicken, pork chops in there with this meat, green beans and meat. So that is on the agenda for today, folks. Have a good day. All right, my greens cooked for about 2 hours, and I just took most of the meat out. And let me see, that's just like left over from when I took the meat out. That's the seasoning and stuff. Oh, sorry about that. But anywho, I'm going to cut up the meat. We have chicken and pork chops in here. I'm going to cut up the meat and then put them in the jars and then put the greens in the jars. I want each jar to have the proper amount of meat. There we go. I actually put some pork chops and some chicken in the bottom of them. So that's about it. Now I'm going to add the green beans. I wanted to add that since the green beans are already cooked, I had them in this pot here. In fact, let me see, I left some, hopefully enough for me and my daughter's dinner. Yeah, there's some down in there. Okay. But since they're already cooked, you don't need to cook them too much longer. So I have these in for 25 minutes for a quart. Okay. And they'll be done in 17 more minutes. I can't wait. I'll show you what they look like when they're done. All right. My green beans are done. And I left the lid off just a little tad so it can get acclimated to the room. And your jar, that way you do that, your jars won't break or pop. So I'm going to take them out now. And we will see what we have here. All right, they're still processing. They look really nice. That's the first one. Second, look how it looks with the meat in it too. That looks pretty cool, huh? Second. That's the pork chops and chicken down in the bottom. Third. I gotta fix that camera. Fourth, and I did add a little, like a quarter teaspoon of vinegar. And when you add vinegar into your greens, kind of keeps the color in a little bit too, you know? And some people use, I guess, like, not ascorbic acid, but what is that called? They use cream of tartar or what have you. They use different things to keep the color of their greens and their green beans. I like my green beans cooked a lot. I like them. When I was a young girl, the older people, they cooked them soft. Have you ever had like, and they look like your fingertips whenever you take a long bath. That's how I like them. But anywho, there they are. There they are. I wanted to get a better, get some light shed on the situation. How about that? That's what they look like. They boiled down a little bit. Sometimes they do boil down like that. That one is a little short. But these ones are doing fine. Green beans, with the pork chops, and chicken. Green beans, pork chops, and chicken. God is good. And I wrote the date on top. I only reused 2 of these lids because they were good. So when these finally go down, 5/31/25. And we'll see. I want to add that the water is clean down there, so nothing boiled over and there's no grease in the water. God is good.